Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to stew some chicken liver. I was telling my daughter that I was going to do this recipe today and she said she doesn't like liver. It looks kind of like gross, but you know, we like to cook the liver of the chicken. We either fry it or we maybe make it maybe a nice stew, right? When I bought the liver, it came with the heart of the chicken, but I didn't really like the heart, so I discarded the heart. I'm going to season the liver now. So now I'm going to season the liver. I'm going to add, this is the juice of a 1 lime. I like to season with some lime. This is 1 tablespoon of homemade green seasoning. And 1 teaspoon of salt and about ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And this is 2 teaspoons of homemade pepper sauce. I'm going to just mix everything together. Okay, next I'll go to the stove and start the process of stewing this liver. Yeah, baby. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I already added about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to make a browning for the liver. So I have 1 onion sliced up here, and I have 3 garlic cloves that I grated up. 3 large garlic cloves. I'm going to let that put after the browning. Just cook it for a few seconds. Oh, smell that. Okay, I'm going to add the liver gradually. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I think I'll make that 2 tablespoons. This liver, it doesn't take very long to cook. All I needed to do right now is to get some nice color and flavor, and we are good to go. Okay, so I'm almost done. At this point, it's basically a matter of tasting. I added about less than a quarter cup of water to let this bubble for a few more minutes. And I added 1 teaspoon of pepper sauce because I wanted to have it a little spicy. You know me, a little more spicy. And this is almost good to go, baby. You can serve this like, you can eat it like this, or maybe serve it like with some white rice, or maybe some sada roti. Yeah. Okay folks, so here's my stewed chicken liver. This is really nice, guys. I don't know if you might be interested in something like this. If you are, give it a try. In case I didn't mention before, the chicken heart came with the liver, attached to the liver, and I didn't really want the liver. I discarded that, and I just basically clean off whatever excess fat that was on the liver, and then I began to season the chicken liver. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.